I'm excited to show you one of my favorite places that I have been while traveling. It's an adorable little town called Flåm, Norway, that you may or may not have heard about. And it's just the most quintessential, picturesque Norwegian fjord town. This is the hotel that we stayed in. I would highly recommend doing that, at least having a night stopover, if not two. And we also took the Flåm railway in order to get up here, which is this old historic railway. The only purpose now is for tourism. This is a look of our delicious breakfast, which if I could have a European continental breakfast every day, I would die happy. And how cute this town is. I will say the weather, it's Norway, so it's hit or miss, but this was an epic waterfall that we passed through on our way with the Flåm railway. We actually came all the way from Oslo to here, so it was about 5 to 6 hours with trains, but it's completely scenic and absolutely gorgeous the entire way.
The museum is located in the yellow building on the right.
The one downside to Flåm is it is a cruise ship stop, and so the day we got there, there wasn't a cruise ship there. It was just, we had it all to ourselves. The food was amazing, and then the next day the cruise ship was there, so it was a little bit chaotic. I was worried that we weren't going to be able to rent a kayak, which is one of the things I really wanted to do, because you can rent kayaks and then go out to the different waterfalls. Fortunately, they had enough left, and so I would say go over and check, because they have people coming and going, and you rent it for 3 hours at a time, but rarely are people going out for the full 3 hours, because, you get tired of kayaking.
Wow, that is so pretty.
Kayaking up this fjord and seeing the waterfalls all along the valley truly was one of my favorite things I've ever done while traveling. It was so peaceful and quiet. It just was perfect. So anyways, add it to your travel bucket list. It's hard to grasp and capture with video, just like how vast this landscape is. Norway is known for being the land of 1,000 waterfalls. Just from this video alone, you can see why. I'm going to make another video as well, because we actually took a ferry that goes all the way through these fjords into Bergen, and that was incredible. I'd highly recommend that as well, so watch for that video. But yeah, I just was shocked. I knew I was going to love Norway, but I loved it so much more than I even expected. And the food was great. The people were wonderful. Felt so safe the entire time. So definitely add Norway to your travel bucket list, as well as Flåm, and specifically kayaking up a fjord to these waterfalls. So stay tuned for more of our Norway travel videos, and thanks for watching, guys.